Halo sister, soma kitabu chako, hiyo ndiyo future yako, na usikajiweke chini, jua nakwambia wewe, uachane na masomo, ndo ende ukaolewe, waambie hiyo siyo haki, ndo wajue hautaki, cause you know your dreams are valid, umeshajiona mbali, unataka utie bidii, ndo ukuwe mwana sayansi, ama daktari wa jamii, basi soma mami. Africa, education is the key, the leader of tomorrow are the queen. Africa, education is the key, the leader of tomorrow are the queen. For a very long time, our girls have been secluded, but it's time to make it right. Tuwapelekeni shule, it's a basic right for every single child. Let them read, let them shine, spread their wings, let them fly. Yeah. Africa, education is the key, the leaders of tomorrow are the queen. Africa, education is the key, the leaders of tomorrow are the queen.
Millions of girls disproportionately face barriers to education caused by cultural norms and practices, poverty, poor infrastructure, and violence. As a scientist and an advocate for gender equity in science, I strongly believe our world today needs science for public good, and that science needs more women. But for us to even increase the number of women in science, we must ensure girls have access to basic education so that pursuing science careers can even be a reality. Let every child be able to go to school. Let our girls go to school. Wacha wasome.